Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Qanda app. If we go to settings, as you see, and you can click. Here on this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Qanda app and you can click here. And then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. And then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.